the other thing that I want to take a look at here is our main dashboard view. So you may have to click on dashboard here over on the top left of this navigation menu that appears here on the left-hand side. So just make sure you're on dashboard. Inside the dashboard, we have a whole bunch of areas here, workable areas that are referred to as modules. And as you can see, there's all kinds of modules. We have right now, and we have quick press, recent comments, and you can continue scrolling down to view all of these different modules. So let's take a quick look at each of these modules here inside our dashboard. So first of all, we have right now. I'm going to work my way down the left-hand column here first, by the way. Now, the right now module tells you what's happening right now on your blog. So for example, because I have a fresh installation of WordPress, I have one default post, I have one default page, and one default category, which comes with that sort of that vanilla installation of WordPress. I also have one comment and one approved comment. And I have my theme. Here it's telling me I have my WordPress default theme. Now we'll talk about themes and we'll talk about widgets in just a little while. And it also tells me what version of WordPress I'm presently running, 2.8.6, and it's suggesting that I update to version 2.9.1. Okay, so that's the right now module. What else do we have? Well, if I scroll down a little bit, we also have the recent comments module. And again, this is sort of the default vanilla comment here in the fresh installation of WordPress, just so we have some content on our blog that we can actually see. So someone named Mr. WordPress created a comment here for us. And here inside this recent comments module, I can unapprove it, I can edit it, I can reply, mark it as spam, delete, and so on. So hopefully all good. So whenever your posts begin getting comments on them, you can see those comments inside this recent comments module. Okay, so hopefully all good. Now, next up, we have incoming links. And you can read through this if you want here. This dashboard widget, or this module, queries the Google blog search so that when another blog links to your site, it will show up here. It hasn't found any incoming links yet. That's okay. There's no rush. So there's no inbound links or incoming links from other blogs to your blog. But again, as you start building up your content and building up your blog and your online community, you'll see this incoming links module start to populate with content. Okay, now below that we have a plugins module, and we'll talk about plugins in quite some time, I think. What plugins will let you do is essentially expand and customize the possibilities here inside WordPress. And we have a few default plugins that are already set up, and then we have most popular, newest, and recently updated plugins. Okay, so hopefully so far so good. Now back up to the top of the dashboard, over to the right hand side now, we have the quick press module, which you might want to use. This is a quick way to create a new post for your blog. So you could click on the new post button up at the top of the dashboard, or you could just head into the quick press module. Essentially, they both do the same thing. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here. Recent drafts, any posts that I've saved as drafts and not actually published to my blog would show up here. And then last but not least, we have the WordPress development blog module, and we also have the other WordPress news module. So if anything's sort of happening inside the WordPress community in terms of their development blog or in terms of any news or updates, I'm going to see those two items inside these last two modules. Again, the WordPress development blog and the other WordPress news blog. So whenever I log into my actual WordPress account, I'll take a quick glance at those two, and if there's anything interesting or exciting, I might click on the links to see what's actually happening. Hopefully this has served as a decent introduction to working inside the administration backend of your WordPress blog.